Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to replace your bracket on your Turnmaster Pro. So once you've removed your bracket the best you can, you're going to then try and scrape as much of this glue off as possible when you peel the bracket back. So what we're going to need to do our repair today, we're going to need some safety gloves, you're going to need a mask, you're going to need safety glasses. You're also going to need your drill with some sort of abrasive on the end so that we can get rid of all the rest of the excess glue. You're going to need a marine grade seal and flex to be able to seal this up nice and tight to ensure no water gets in the inside. We're going to need something to be able to spread that with. And then lastly, we're going to need our replacement parts, which will come to you, as well as a 5mm or 13/64 Allen key. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use our drill and abrasive to remove the excess glue off here so we have a nice smooth fitting for our new part. So what you're going to do, we're going to whack our mask on, and then we're going to whack our gloves and safety glasses on before grabbing our drill. Now once you've sanded back all your excess glue to make a nice clean surface, we're going to grab a cleaning agent, so I'm going to use acetone, dab it on the rag, and then give it a nice wipe to ensure we get a good bond when we add the glue. Now once you've cleaned your surface, we're going to grab our brackets and ensure that we're going to do them the right way. So you'll notice on one side, all the fitting holes will be nice and flush, whereas on the other side, we'll have a little bit of a concave in. So we're going to ensure that the part that's concaved in is going to be facing outwards. So we're going to place that down on our thing so we have the flat side up on both parts. And then what we're going to do, we're going to grab our marine seal and flex and we're going to apply it around the outsides and a little bit over the holes to ensure that we don't get much water in here. Now we're going to grab something to be able to spread our sealant with. And we're just going to give it a nice gentle wipe over to ensure we maximize the area which is touching our Turnmaster Pro. Now what we're going to do from here, we're going to unscrew our bolts. And then we're going to add our brackets to our Turnmaster, ensuring that we chuck the bolts through. I'm going to do this to make it nice and easy. And put all 4 through. I'm going to line them up with the holes. Push them all the way through. My other bracket, line it up on the other side. And then we're going to thread our bolts on the other side through. Now once you have all 4 bolts in place, you're going to grab your Allen key and tighten them up nice and tight. If you need to, you can use a second Allen key on the other side to ensure you don't lose your grip. Now, once you've got all your bolts nice and tight, you're going to grab a rag and wipe off any excess sealant that may have squeezed out in the process. And there you have it. The Turnmaster, once all of this seals nice and dry, you will be ready to go again.